welcome back to my channel. So, and tonight for dinner what we're gonna have is some of this Pioneer Woman roasted garlic pull-apart bread. It is so good, it's so quick and easy, it's so cheap. We try not to have it a lot because it does have a lot of like butter. And then we're also gonna have some of these best, oh my gosh. We're also gonna have some of these best ever baked meatballs, just Italian style, and then we're gonna have some zucchini noodles. So for this, I am gonna need, I'll link these recipes below. This will go away. I need half. All right, and so for the meatballs, I have my 2 pounds of beef. It called for half a cup of onions, which since I don't know if I said 2 meatballs or 2 pounds of beef. It called for a half cup onion, and to double it be a cup. I'm doing half a cup. I'm bawling my eyes out because it was burning my eyes so bad. That's all they're gonna be. Plus I think it'd be too many. My eyes instantly started watering again once I got in front of those onions. Salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, some ketchup, garlic, Italian breadcrumbs, which I have here. I have half a cup, 2 eggs, and my parsley that we're gonna chop up and put in here. So exciting. Okay. Now on to the next one. I just have a YouTube video going. This new girl I found that cleans and does cleaning videos and stuff. This is totally crooked, but I just washed my hands to adjust that camera and now I've touched the meat again. So we're just gonna go with it. So after I do my clean with me with my fridge video, I want to completely try to use all the food in our freezer for the most part. And I want to fill it up with freezer meals. I want to go through like and do a video on like the Pioneer Woman freezer meals, like kind of her ideas. She has an amazing section. It's in her red book right over there of freezer meals, like tips and tricks, even just like staples like freezing meats so that you can pull it out and make a meal with the meat. I really want to do that. Okay, so I have 35 meatballs. So I'm going to wash my hands and we're going to pop those in the oven. Things I'm going to need, I have some olive oil, salt, pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, garlic, whole stick of butter melted. I have my loaf over here, my Italian loaf. I do not have, it calls for mozzarella, fontina cheese, Parmesan cheese, and Pecorino Romano cheese. Normally I can get all of that in like an Italian blend. I don't have that. I accidentally grabbed this and only this when it came to like the white cheese. But I do have this, and I know we've kind of done something like that before, and it actually turned out okay. So that's just what we're gonna have to do. Okay, so I'm gonna need 16 ounces of cheese. So we're just gonna measure as which we're gonna measure as, I just dropped the bowl. 2 cups. I'm just gonna do a cup of each. Yeah, 8. Okay. I'm gonna do a little more of the mozzarella. So we have 1 cup here. This is a 2 cup. When any of you guys use shredded cheese, does it get everywhere? Or is it just me? Now this would probably be better with cheese you grate yourself, because I know shredded cheese has that like preservative in it or whatever to like, whatever. You know, to keep it like different. Then we need 8 cloves of garlic. This takes a lot of garlic, like a lot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, just, you know, too much. I kind of put in probably more like 12, but that's okay. I love black pepper. I really want, I'm getting married this October, and I really want to put on a registry, because there's like not much to register for when you're kind of like, you know, you're kind of good, like you're content with what you have. I want to put like electric ones of these, like for ground. I don't want just a jar of ground black pepper. I want fresh ground black pepper. But you know, surprisingly it's this hand that gets tired. And then we need 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes. 1, 2. So I'm just gonna mix this around. So I got my cheese mix going. I have 11 minutes left on my meatballs. I'm gonna go ahead and slice the bread and just have it ready. Then you pour a stick of melted butter on it, and then you stuff this into every crevice. So now I've got it all cut up. I'm just gonna spread it out. You're gonna lose a thing or two. That's okay. We never finished it all, so I'm gonna save that. Maybe we can do like meatball sub with it or something for lunch. Just gonna spread it out. Okay, we're gonna stuff that in here, and we're gonna pour some butter over it. Her recipe is so funny. It actually says, and keep going until that bread is so stuffed with cheese it can't see straight. That's hilarious. On the side on me. Take your cheese mixture and just start stuffing it in. I kind of like to go in rows. It's actually really hard to stuff this whole thing. See this beautiful thing. Okay, and now we take our butter, which is now all over my microwave. This is freaking hot. And you just spoon it all over. This is the best. It would even be good if you used half the amount of garlic in the cheese and the rest in the butter. And like, I'm gonna have to aim. It is gonna bake in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. And then we're gonna unwrap it and let it bake for 10 more minutes. Okay, this is what the bread is looking like. I didn't time it correctly with my noodles. I just didn't want to make zucchini noodles. I'm just gonna make normal ones. I've just been cooking for a long time. So I'm gonna just put the oven on like 200 and let that just stay warm. Water's boiling. I'm actually gonna air fry some broccoli. So, spaghetti. I usually don't salt my water beforehand. It does make a difference, but I just normally don't. So I just mixed some frozen broccoli with olive oil, salt and pepper, and garlic powder, and it's gonna cook for 8 minutes. Okay, there we go. Got my pasta still boiling. And I got my sauce still cooking. And I got the bread going. My honey boo thing is coming with some wine, and we're gonna use it with our new wine glasses. Oh yeah.